Hi, myself Sheikh Umar. I've pursued my BCA from LBS College. I'm a Bangalorean. I joined JSpiders on 13th of October. Here I joined for a course of full stack Java development where we got to learn about web technologies and Java algorithms. Here Shiraz sir took my web technology classes where he taught us about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and Rahul sir took us the Java classes. He taught us about the core Java and the advanced Java related topics. So with the help of web technologies, I could pass my interview in Artifix Technology Solutions, where I had to come across with questions of front-end development and web technology questions. So I have successfully cleared the interview and I've got placed in Artifix Technology Solutions on the 15th of November.